Hello everyone, my name is Leslie and today I will be unboxing Treetopia's Color Blast Balsam Spruce Artificial Christmas Tree. I will show you how to set up the tree and also customize the lights on your Christmas tree. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I am excited for this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and now let's get to the fun part, the unboxing. Here we have my Color Blast Christmas tree. This tree comes in 4 sizes. 6, 7, 8, and 9 feet tall. I got a 7-foot tall. Stay tuned to see how it looks once it's set up. Right, on this side, you will be opening the box. Make sure you save your box because you want to store it here after you use it. Guys, ready? Here we have it. We also have the base and extra light bulbs. I'm gonna start with the first part. It's wrapped really nicely. Each part of the tree has a number. Over here we have number 1, number 2, and number 3. First, we will put number 1 at the bottom, in the middle number 2, and at the top will be number 3. It is very easy to assemble this tree. When you do put on the tree on the base, make sure you tighten the screws so that way your tree is very secure. And it looks like we are good to go. One of the most important things to do when you are purchasing an artificial tree is fluffing your tree out, because that is going to make a difference on how your tree will look before you decorate it. This step is very time consuming, but make sure you do not skip it. So here it is how it looks after I fluffed it out compared to when it first came out of the box. So now we're going to move to step number 2 and we're going to place it right here in the middle. Make sure to keep all these black caps so that when you're done with your tree, you can place them back where they were and put everything back in your box. That way, this can help you preserve your tree for many years to come. So this is how the bottom looks. As soon as you take this off, all you have to do is place this part on the tree and that automatically makes it all be connected and the LED lights be on as soon as you plug the tree on. Now we're on our last step. This is number 3. We're going to place it back there. I will also show you how the Color Blast Christmas tree works. The lights are really pretty from what I have seen on the pictures. I have not seen it in person, as you see. We're both unboxing it together. I love unboxing my items in front of the camera because it is just a genuine reaction on how I like everything and how things work and how they come. So that's the same experience that you will have if you purchase a Christmas tree from Treetopia. I only got to fluff the bottom part. I still have to do the middle and the top. So I will be right back as soon as I finish that. Now that the Christmas tree is set up, I actually fluffed it and it's ready to go. Now we're gonna get into the fun part. Make sure your cables are properly connected. Sometimes they get tangled and disconnected. That causes bulbs to not light up. Let me show you how you can customize your Christmas lights on your Color Blast Christmas tree. We're gonna go over our controller that we have here. When you first order your Christmas tree, you will receive a controller. Inside, it will have a plastic on top, so make sure you remove that, and also at the bottom. As soon as you remove the one at the bottom, this will start working right away. The first button that you need to know is the on button. So here we have it in the middle. We have here the color wheel where you can touch it and it will automatically change the color of your tree, making it so unique and also so different. On this side where you see the sun, this is where you adjust the brightness of your Christmas tree. You can make it brighter or dimmer. If you want your Christmas tree to be traditional, all you have to do is press this button right here and it will be a really nice, warm, traditional light. The colorful sun gives you a multicolor, steady glow. The buttons in the middle allow you to change your presets. Now we're going through the preset light settings. There are 10 options you can choose from. This button right here, it is the flicker speed. You can decrease the speed. The lights will flicker a little slower, and when you increase it, they go faster. This time around, it was super easy. I love that there was no cables involved, that all you had to do was just pretty much plug in the first part and then the second part and then the third, and that was it. For me, that was a major plus. Also, I really enjoyed the whole concept of an LED tree. This is like having different trees every single day, pretty much. If I want to display this in the girls' room and make it purple, it will definitely fit in there. Thank you so much to Treetopia for inviting me to be a part of this project. I am very excited to be decorating this Christmas tree. This tree is going to be the talk of the town, and I know for a fact when my family come over and visit, they are going to love it. It is so pretty, and I love that I can just change the settings, make it look like a completely different tree, which is so cool. So for me, I highly recommend it, and overall, I give it a 10 out of 10. It is always so much fun working with Treetopia. Their trees are so cool. Treetopia trees are very unique. There is always something new, something to discover. It makes me personally think outside the box. I love taking on the challenge of a Treetopia tree because I know it will be different, but different is good. I love standing out from the rest, and I think Treetopia does an amazing job at that. If you want to get the Balsam Spruce Color Blast tree shown on this video, you can find the link in the description box. Be sure to check out Treetopia's website to explore a wide selection of unique and colorful artificial Christmas trees.